Put your hands in the air. We are going for a ride because this is new this morning. An exciting announcement from one of Australia's most popular theme parks. Dreamworld is giving Sunrise an inside look at the development of its much anticipated Rivertown precinct. It will be the home to a first of its kind roller coaster called the Jungle Rush, which promises to be an unforgettable adventure for visitors of all ages. For more, I'm joined by Dreamworld's Operations Director, Michelle Erasmus. Good morning to you, Michelle. Well, Rivertown, that sounds pretty cool. How's it going over there?
Yes, I'm on the construction site of Rivertown. So you can see behind me, we've got our temple structure, and that's going to be the housing of the Jungle Rush coaster. That's a $35 million investment, and that's where the station and dark ride section will be. So the coaster will pop out of the temple behind me and go all over to my left-hand side and actually go over another ride that we're installing called Murrissippi Motors.
Oh,
it's a bit noisy here, sorry.
That sounds really good. No, you've got a job to do. Get it ready for us. $35 million for a roller coaster. What does that give you?
Yeah, so this one is going to be an incredible family coaster. We're really excited about this one because we anticipate that we'd be able to see grandson and granddaughter with grandma on this one. So it's not going to be inverted and too scary, but it is going to be really thrilling. And what makes this one different is that we have two coaster trains. One is built to be forward facing and the other one is built to be backwards facing. So when guests leave the station, they'll get to choose their adventure.
Oh, that sounds so good. Not too scary. I like those ones. 1,000 jobs on site there. Great for the Goldie.
Absolutely. So because of this major project that we've got, it's part of a $55 million investment that we're putting in the parks to transform it. We're anticipating that it's over 1,000 jobs that's been created for the Gold Coast community. It's just fantastic between the construction and the trade and the theming creation, printing, signage, everything. It's really good to see.
Okay, so how long have we got to build up a few frequent flyers so we can get there and enjoy it?
Well, we would love guests to come now because we do have a lot of things happening in the park at the moment. We've got brand new rides that we opened recently. But if you want to come for Jungle Rush in particular, this one's anticipated to be opening at the end of the year, weather permitting.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, fast work. Keep the rain away. Michelle, thanks for your time. Really appreciate it.